This is Jeff with Relevant Homes here at the Armitage project. We are starting the concrete today and tomorrow. We're going to pour the garage and the main floor.
To properly prepare for the concrete pour, we put down a minimum of 4 inches of compacted gravel throughout. On top of that, we put down a reflective foil insulation for retaining heat in the floor. And then we put in wire mesh with PEX tubing attached, which allows for the hot water to be pumped through the entirety of the floor. With the ground prepped and the forms in place, we poured the garage on the first day. We began by laying the concrete with wheelbarrows, and the crew would continually check with a laser level to ensure the proper top of slab. They roughly set the concrete with a metal tamper, and they initially smoothed it with a large metal float. The crew then used their finishing tools to complete the edges and install the control joints. And then they hand troweled the entire surface to make it a smooth and clean finish. Day 2 was very much the same process, but we doubled the concrete crew to make sure we could handle the big one-day pour of over 20 yards of material. The main slab was also a bit more challenging because we had to be careful of the PEX tubing. With 4 seasoned finishers on the team, we were able to successfully hand trowel everything to a smooth finish. The team didn't form control joints in this pour because we're going to replace them with custom shallow sock cut lines for a more modern look. This pour required 3 trucks and took about 3 hours worth of wheelbarrow work to get it all laid down. And then we had to take about another 4 hours of finishing to finish it up. It was a long day, but it was really successful.
I'm here at the Armitage project. We just poured the concrete floors this weekend. It's actually Sunday today. We poured them yesterday, and we could not be happier with the results. We had about 1,800 square foot pour all at once. The crew, 9 people, really put in an awesome effort, and it came out looking really great.
We'll give it at least a week to cure, and then we're going to give it a light polishing and we'll be ready to finish the framing. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to stay up to date on the project.